Hello, this is Nicko with Food Cravings from chefnickostyle.com. Today we're making tabouleh. And we're gonna start with a bowl of plucked fresh Italian flat leaf parsley, fine bulgur wheat, number one, half a lemon wedge, and fresh mint. Next, we're going to soak the bulgur wheat until it's absorbed the water and has plumped up. In a food processor, dump the plucked parsley. Now we're going to add some sumac and some dried mint, and we're going to pulse our parsley mixture in the food processor. Now we're going to go ahead and chop the mixture entirely at full speed. Add it to the bulgur mixture. Now on to the next step. Next, we're going to add a tomato with its seeds removed. Slice it and then dice it and dump it in. Now we're going to chop an onion and then give it a quick dice and add that to the bowl. Once that's in, we're going to take our mint, stack the leaves on top of each other as seen, roll it in really tight, give it a quick slice, chiffonade, and dump it in. And we'll add our sumac, the dried mint, some salt, and some lemon juice, stirring well to combine. Once the ingredients have been all well combined, it is time to serve. Throughout the world, tabouleh is traditionally served on romaine lettuce. What you do is you take a couple of tablespoons or a few teaspoons to your desired amount, and you place it on each lettuce leaf. Then you roll. Once you roll, it's ready to eat. One of the ways I like to enjoy this is by placing it in Arabic bread along with some feta cheese, tucking it in, rolling, and taking a bite. Man, that's money, baby. I really hope you've enjoyed this tabouleh recipe. For this and more recipes, don't forget to visit www.chefnickostyle.blogspot.com, and please don't forget to like and subscribe the video and share with your friends as well. Thank you and enjoy. Bon appetit.